Oh yeah, well we can get in there if I need to, so. Right. All right, so we are going to do something that's probably a really, really bad idea. We're gonna fly the Avata with a GoPro mounted to the top. This is a full-size Hero 10. Basically, I just wanna see if it's gonna be able to lift it. All right, let's give it a go. All right, so you can totally fly this with a GoPro. 100% doable. We're gonna turn that off.
Come back.
And the motors are not even hot. Feel them. Just take a glance. Like, those are coming down cooler than...
Oh yeah.
These are coming down cooler than anything else. So, I mean, I do notice that the satellites are fluctuating a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be the same. Like with the FPV drone, if you didn't have any satellites, you couldn't get into manual mode, you couldn't fly in normal mode. This is unaffected. But if you look, the way we designed this mount, here's your GPS module, here's the GoPro, and the CG of the drone. So what we did was we made it to where the CG was somewhat going to be linear, because when you have it setting back, here's your rear motors, here's the front motors, so the space in between is equal. Therefore, you don't have any problems with balance, and that is probably why it is running as, honestly, as smooth as it is. So CG is important. I really think that this is a bad idea. So we're gonna be calling this mount, this is not the final mount, this is just a prototype mount. So we're just calling this the bad idea mount, even though you can totally do it. All right, let's get back to designing.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you're not a threat.